Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, welcome if you're not new. My name is Lydia and today is April 20th and we are starting a new series of what's for dinner. So come along and see what me and my family of 6 are eating for our homemade dinners. Okay, so today I did a crock pot dinner because I was out running errands, doing laundry. I just wanted something quick and easy. So over here I had a pack of 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and then some potatoes, and then that garlic Parmesan sauce by Buffalo Wild Wings. I'll get the container and show you guys. And I made some rice. This is what it looks like. Super easy, super delicious, and we are gonna enjoy this. Let me show you guys the container so that you guys know the sauce. You literally just throw it in there, and I didn't put any liquid. That's all the sauce and the broth that the chicken made, and it's really yummy. I did at the end put some cornstarch to thicken it up. If you like it thicker, put some cornstarch. If you don't, if you want it more runny, then just leave it as is. So this is the sauce that I like to use. It's super delicious. It has a little bit of red chili flakes through it, so it has a little kick, but nothing bad. Even my kids can eat it. Well, they like spicy, but I'm just saying even kids can eat it, and it's not too spicy. So yeah, we'll see you guys. Okay, you guys, it is Tuesday, and I went to QFC, which is kind of like between a Kroger and a Safeway, and I made up one of these salads, and then we're gonna cut up the sandwich, and that's what we're having for dinner. We also have leftovers from yesterday for whoever wants, and yeah, we are going to just keep it very simple today and just use up what we have. You guys, it is Wednesday, and today we're gonna make zuppa toscana. So I was going through my stockpile yesterday, and I still have a lot of canned potatoes, so I want to use those up, and then I have some bacon that I cooked up yesterday, and so I just cooked it up. I took it out of the freezer. It was just like an open package, and I cooked it up, and some people snacked on it, and then this was left over, so I'm like, okay, zuppa toscana. Obviously I had chicken stock in my freezer, which actually this is my last stock in my freezer. I need to make more. I put it on defrost a little bit. It will thaw out the rest of the way in the pot. I'm gonna put these on defrost. These were in the freezer. I'm using dehydrated diced onions because I'm obviously not putting blueberries, but I wanted to show you guys, I have a bunch of these cans of like dehydrated foods, and I have a lot of vegetables. I opened up a can of carrots and a can of diced onions. I'm just going to hydrate them directly in the soup. I'm not putting carrots, but the onions. So I'm trying to use what we have in our stockpile up so that we don't have so much. And yeah, so let's put this soup together, and I'll show you guys the final product. Okay, so the soup is done. Look at that beautiful color. It's from the chicken stock. I put turmeric when I made it. And then also the Italian sausage is spicy, so it gave out that beautiful yellow-orange color. But we have a huge pot. We are going to enjoy this. It's pouring down rain outside, so it's gonna hit the spot perfectly. And yeah, we're gonna enjoy this, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, you guys, it is Friday morning. So yesterday was Thursday. We had some family friends come over, and we had dinner. We made our little Chinese stir fry on the disc. I went to our Chinese buffet and I got some spring rolls and some pot stickers, and that was great. I didn't film anything because we were all together, but let me turn you guys around and show you guys the leftovers. So this doesn't look too appetizing right now. I just took it out of the fridge, but this is the leftovers. This is what we had yesterday, and this is what we'll have today. And then let me show you, my friend picked some beautiful lilacs. They smell absolutely fantastic. How gorgeous is that? So she brought that over with some sweets and some goodies, and we had a great old time. I hope everyone is having a wonderful Friday. The sun is shining, and yeah, tomorrow I think we're going to the beach. Either way, I'll bring you guys along, and we're meeting up with different friends there, so that'll be fun. Okay, you guys, so today is Sunday. Yesterday we went to the beach, and our friends were camping there, and they made burgers, and they had cake, and they had salad, and it was fun. Today we came home from church and we're eating leftovers. We have some soup. David made some Italian sausage with some mashed potatoes, some fries. Just kind of fend for yourself, eating up all leftovers. So that's what's going on. I hope you guys enjoyed today's or this week's video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.